In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot CRM with WordPress. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your customer relationship management or a developer deploying a seamless integration, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open up your preferred internet browser and navigate to the WordPress plugin repository. Once there, look for the HubSpot CRM email marketing, live chat, forms, and analytics plugin. This plugin is crucial as it acts as the bridge between your WordPress site and HubSpot CRM, allowing for features like email marketing, live chat, and detailed analytics to be readily accessible within your website. Next, you'll want to click on Extend on the WordPress site. This option will lead you to additional features and plugins that WordPress supports. Once you've done this, proceed to click on Plugins. The Plugins section is like a treasure trove of add-ons and extensions that'll help enhance the functionality of your WordPress site. After you've entered the Plugins section, and this is important, make sure to type HubSpot into the search bar at the top. You should see a list of relevant plugins appearing, with the HubSpot plugin being one of the top results. The search bar is an excellent tool for quickly finding plugins without scrolling through endless listings, saving you valuable time. Once the list of plugins appears, click on the search button. It will refine your search results, ensuring that the HubSpot plugin is prominently displayed. It's crucial to accurately find this exact plugin because similar plugins might not offer the comprehensive integration that HubSpot does with WordPress. With that done, you'll need to select the option that says HubSpot CRM, email marketing, live chat, forms, and analytics. This is the official plugin by HubSpot and the one that will allow for a smooth and efficient connection with your CRM system. Finally, locate and click on the download button. This step downloads the plugin to your WordPress site. On this page, you will find important information about the plugin, including user reviews, ratings, and detailed descriptions of what functionality the plugin will add to your site. Take your time to familiarize yourself with these details, which can give you insight into how others have found success with this tool. This entire process integrates one of the most powerful CRMs with the versatile platform of WordPress, enabling you to harness advanced marketing and customer relationship functionalities directly from your website. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your customer data is synchronized and easily accessible, making your business operations smoother and more efficient. And there you have it. Now you're all set to leverage HubSpot's extensive features right within your WordPress dashboard. Happy integrating!